Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed look at the 2025 Ford Transit 350, a versatile full-size van that continues to be a top choice for commercial and personal use alike. Whether you're in the market for a cargo hauler, a shuttle, or a mobile workstation, this vehicle brings a lot to the table. Let's take a closer look at everything it has to offer, starting from the outside and working our way in. On the exterior, the 2025 Transit 350 maintains its familiar, boxy utilitarian look but with a few sleek refinements. The front fascia now features a more modern grille design, LED headlights for improved visibility, and subtle aerodynamic enhancements that not only improve the look but also boost efficiency. Available in multiple lengths and roof heights, it's designed to meet a wide range of needs, and Ford offers several color options and upfit packages to tailor it for specific commercial or recreational purposes. Inside the cabin, Ford has stepped up its game. The interior is more driver-focused, featuring a large touchscreen with Sync 5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a cleaner dashboard layout with improved storage compartments. Depending on the trim and configuration, you'll find seating for 2 to 15 passengers, durable upholstery options, and thoughtful touches like USB-C ports, enhanced climate control, and upgraded sound insulation for a quieter ride. It's practical, spacious, and more comfortable than ever for long drives or daily work routines. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Transit 350 offers two solid powertrain choices, a 3.5L V6 and a 3.5L EcoBoost V6, both mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The EcoBoost variant delivers more punch, ideal for those who need extra power for towing or heavy cargo loads. With optional all-wheel drive and a maximum payload rating of over 500 pounds, it handles a variety of tasks with confidence and control. The Transit 350 also offers selectable drive modes for different terrains, making it adaptable for both urban and off-road conditions. Safety is another strong point for the 2025 Transit 350. Standard safety features now include Ford Co-Pilot 360, technologies like pre-collision, assist with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping system, blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. These features provide extra peace of mind, whether you're navigating crowded city, streets, or cruising on the highway. Optional surround view, cameras and parking sensors also help reduce blind spots during tight maneuvers. What really sets the 2025 Transit 50 apart are its unique selling points: class-leading customization, a vast dealer support network, and a proven reputation for durability. It's one of the few vans in its class offering such a wide range of body styles, wheelbases, and roof heights, not to mention the variety of upfitting solutions Ford provides for business or recreational conversions. Whether you're building a camper van or operating a delivery fleet, this van adapts with ease. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ford Transit 350 starts at around $49,000 for the base cargo version and can go up to $70,000 or more for fully equipped passenger and high roof models. While that's not cheap, the level of flexibility, features, and long-term reliability you're getting makes it a worthy investment for serious buyers. To wrap it up, the 2025 Ford Transit 350 is a powerful, customizable, and tech-savvy workhorse that continues to lead the pack in the full-size van segment. Whether you're a business owner, van lifer, or just need a reliable utility vehicle, it's hard to go wrong with what Ford has put together here. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you think of the new Transit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.